Welcome to the Alchemeister's Records. This time, we'll craft a pizza so good it has been specially loved by a famous devil hunter. The renowned Crimson Coat Hunter's favorite pig for rocking a party. This pizza's ingredients are delicious and functional against demonkind. A true combination of taste and power. You'll hit the flavor jackpot with every slice. First, we will craft our Evilbane dough. For this, we'll use 1 cup of strong flour, to which we'll add 1 teaspoon of ground rosemary, a demon repellent. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of salt as an evil ward, and a pinch of ground pepper to enhance the dough's flavor and strength. After all the dry ingredients are mixed, we'll brew a fermenting potion to complete the dough. For this, we'll use 1/3 cup of lukewarm holy water. No need to get your holy water from any religious group. Simple drinking water can be holy water if you don't give a damn about the definition of holiness. To the holy water, we'll add half teaspoon of sugar crystals and half tablespoon of dry yeast to create our fermenting potion. Mix the yeast well and let it transmute for 10 minutes or until white foam appears on top. Once the potion is complete, make a well in the center of the flour, pour in half tablespoon of harmonious olive oil and add the yeast potion. Mix and knead well for 6 minutes. The dough should be soft to the touch but not sticky. If it's too hard or too sticky, add a bit more flour or water as needed. Once the dough has come together, form a ball with it and let it rest covered in a warm place to awaken its demon-slaying powers. While the dough is resting, we'll create the slaughter sauce for our pizza. Heat 1 tablespoon of harmonious olive oil, add 1/3 of a diced fried onion and saute until transparent. Add a pinch of holy salt. Also, we'll use 3 bloody tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes in half as you would do your foes and remove the core stem. Then, place them in the saucepan, flesh side down. Add a splash of holy water and cover to steam the bloody tomatoes for 3 to 6 minutes, loosening their skin. Once they look wrinkly, skin them with a pair of tongs and smash them like they are the skulls of the demons on your hit list. Once the bloody tomatoes have been reduced to a bloody paste, season to taste with salt and pepper. Add a pinch of cilantro leaves to ward off evil, and 1/4 cup stock. To finish, add 3 minced cloves of sacred garlic and reduce the liquid until it reaches the preferred consistency. Once the slaughter sauce is ready, we'll roll out the Evilbane dough. Take the dough, deflate it. One portion of the dough will make a pizza for 2. Divide it in half for individual pizzas. and on a well-floored surface, extend it with a rolling pin. Once the Evilbane crust has been extended, take the slaughter sauce and spread it over the crust. Top the sauce with a few jalapeno rings to ignite the flame of revenge and boost your strength while going on rampage, as well as some cream cheese to rock the show. Spread over melting cheese like mozzarella, cheddar, or your preferred cheese. Add toppings like scarlet dead pepperoni, and sliced spectrum mushrooms. The last step is to bake the pizza for 10 to 12 minutes in the hell flame oven at 160 Celsius. Once the aroma of cheese fills the room, our Demon Hunter pizza is ready. Remove it from the hell chamber and slice it. Alright, all ready to rock the hell out of the party. Demons lurking in the shadows, it's showtime. Blade unsheathed, guns loaded, and crimson coat on. Hell breaks loose with this slice. For more mystical and delicious meals, like, subscribe, share and comment. Until the next record, alchemy will light your path to a delicious life.